In this PD, we are going to learn how to take a Word document and convert it into a Moodle quiz. There is a specific format that you have to follow. You do not want your questions to have numbers. They need to be single-spaced and only double-spaced in between each question. Use caps for your letter options and your answer all in caps at the bottom. So now I have a sample Word document that I need to adjust with my formatting to remove these numbers and double space in between each question, single space, all of the parts of the single question. Now that I'm formatted, no questions for each question, no question numbers. My answer choices are capital with period after, and then my correct answer is all in caps underneath. It does take a little time on the front end to format correctly, but it saves you a lot of time putting it into Moodle, and it automatically puts in the answers for you and grades. Alright, once correctly formatted, we're going to save it a specific way. Alright, so we're going to change Word document to plain text. And we're going to go to Other Encoding. And we're going to scroll up to Unicode UTF-8 and hit OK. From there, we're going to go into Moodle. I'm in my Media Services course. My editing is turned on. I'm scrolling down to the Admin Question Bank. Pull down that arrow, and I'm going to first do a category. And at the very bottom, I'm adding a new category, which I'll call Foods Test, whatever you want to name it, and add. Then I'm going to scroll back down to Question Bank, and now I will import. I'm doing the Aiken format. Under General, I'm going to put in the category I just made, so that all the questions I import go into that category, and then choose the file that I just saved from desktop, and I called it Foods Test. Okay, when I import, it's going to show me my questions, and then I will continue. Then I'm going to go back to my page, and I will add an activity, quiz, and all of this you can adapt and change settings as you would like. Now that it's listed here as an activity, I will click on the test and edit the quiz and add from Question Bank. Pull down my category, which was Foods Test 1 that I created. I'm going to select all my questions for that test and add them to the quiz. Now I will save. And when I go back to Foods Test, I can see what students will see. So here's the question, their answer choices, and it will automatically grade them. So I'll just show you these 5 very quickly. And so you can see it already put in those answers that I had input on the Word doc when I formatted it. And that is all I have to do on Moodle.